Hello guys, કેમ છો મજામાં? I hope you are doing good and welcome back to my channel. So as you will have read by the title, today's video is going to be all about Meesho short kurti haul. And मैं कब से ट्राई कर रही हूँ ये वीडियो करने का, बट रिटर्न एक्सचेंज साइज इश्यूज इसकी वजह से बहुत लेट हो गया, इसलिए इतना लेट हुआ मुझे वीडियो डालने में. बट या finally it is here and I'm so excited to show it all to you guys. So the first one is this, as you can see. I just really love it. First of all, just see how it looks on. You saw that right? I just love this embroidery, like bird and flowers. It literally gives festive vibes and also screams summer because it is sleeveless, and as we all know it is so hot. बहुत पसंद आई ये embroidery. The fit is a bit off but I can secure it with safety pin, and this fabric is cotton. Like, you won't believe this but it is, and I think it is under rupees 300 if I'm not wrong. What else do we want, right? Like, I didn't know Meesho has these good things. Like, I'm surprised actually. I am trying this shade of green for the first time. मैंने कभी ये shade पहना नहीं है and I really like it. Like, just the way it looks on me and this embroidery, just love that. And it is like that perfect festive summer kind of shirt. And yes, it's a shirt and not a kurti, but I really love it. So yeah, do let me know how do you guys like this on me in the comments down below, and I will rate this a 3 on 5 because fit इतना अच्छा नहीं है but love everything else, especially that it is sleeveless because मुझे बहुत ही गर्मी लगती है. Let's move on to the next one. White perfect summer short kurti, and my favorite part has to be this tie-up detailing right here. I just love the fit of this short kurti and it's just perfectly fitting me. Like, and I got it in the size XXL and the shirt was also in the size XXL. How do you guys like it? Because I am in love with this. Like, I cannot stop seeing myself. Like, I just love it. I just love the fit. The fabric is also cotton over here, and the pattern is like so trending, this tie-up detailing. Love it. And again, it's sleeveless, so again it screams summer for me because, as I told you, मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगती है, so I need something breathable, and this is so easy breezy, perfect summer short kurti. Really love the pattern and everything about this, so I will rate this a 4 on 5. In love with this. I tell you, this is just for 300 rupees. Like, I cannot believe it. At 300 rupees mein you get this amazing short kurti. Like, I'm telling you, this is so good. You will be so comfortable wearing this and amazing. इसको पूरा दिन भी पहन सकते हो. Perfect for office girlies and college girlies just like me. I'm obsessed. जो मुझे इस पेपरम टॉप में अच्छी लगी वो है इसका कलर, एंड मैंने डेफिनेटली इसको कलर देख के लिया बिकॉज आई रियली लव हाउ दिस पर्पल कलर इज एक्चुअली लुकिंग ऑन मी. फिट्स मी so properly. Like, it's just made for me. Like, ये इतना अच्छे से फिट हो रहा है मुझे. एंड फैब्रिक इज़ अगेन कॉटन एंड it is again sleeveless. It has tie up detailing but this time it is a peplum top. So yeah, patterns सबके different है but the fabric is cotton and yeah, इसमें भी tie up detailing है. Again I'm using these words easy breezy summer vibe because it definitely are like this is so comfortable and I am not lying. This just is super comfortable. आप इसको पूरे दिन भी पहन सकते हो. You have to get this to know how comfortable I'm feeling in this. Like it's just amazing. प्रिंट भी इसकी बहुत अच्छी है, फिट बहुत अच्छा है, फैब्रिक भी कॉटन है. सो व्हाट एल्स डू वी नीड इन दिस समर. लाइक कितनी गर्मी है एंड दैट्स वाई आई विल रेट दिस अ 5/5 बिकॉज कलर, फिट, फैब्रिक, पैटर्न, everything is just too good. Just love it and I'm super comfortable in this. I can literally wear this for the whole day. Do let me know your thoughts. कुर्ती की सबसे अच्छी बात है इसके बैक पे जो टाई अप डिटेलिंग है. इट ऑनेस्टली लुक्स so sexy and I just love it and it is in red color so I love it even more. I really like how it looks on me. इसकी लेंथ थोड़ी छोटी है. पर्पल वाले की लेंथ वॉज वेरी गुड, लाइक नॉट टू लॉन्ग नॉट टू शॉर्ट, जस्ट परफेक्ट. बट इसकी थोड़ी सी छोटी है एंड द फैब्रिक इज अगेन कॉटन एंड आई एम इन द साइज XXL and under all these kurtis I am wearing strapless bra. So if you want to wear you can wear that and if not you can also wear a transparent belt by removing the straps of your innerwear. So yeah, really love how it looks on me. So I will rate this a 4/5. Fit is okay, not really great but yeah I can wear this like whole day. Yeah, कुर्ती ऑलरेडी पहनी हुई है. मैंने एक रील भी डाली है इंस्टा पे. इफ़ यू डोंट फॉलो मी देयर just go and follow and if you have not seen at all you can also watch it on YouTube. I have also uploaded it on shorts and अगर आपने देखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने ये ऑलरेडी पहन ली है and I honestly love it. So जल्दी से कमेंट्स में जाके बोलो कि कैसी लगी and yeah let's move on to the next one. These are called bell sleeves and these are specifically so comfortable and this kurti's fit is so comfortable that you can wear this all day long and you will not feel uncomfortable at all. भले ये sleeveless नहीं है but I am saying this is super comfortable. You can definitely wear this and you can also adjust it using the tie up detailing. And coming to the tie up detailing, I just love it and I also love this neon yellow color, like how it looks on me. All these colors are really new for me. मैंने कभी नहीं पहने, that's why I got them into different colors and different pattern. I love the sleeve pattern, the tie up detailing, this shade of yellow, this print, this pattern, this whole everything, this fit amazing. So I will rate this a 5/5. Do let me know what do you think about this in the comments down below and I would be really happy to know that. सब कुर्तीज़ के बारे में अच्छा बोल रही हूँ because I really like them, not because I have to speak only good about these. No, this is my genuine review about these and yeah, hope it helps you. कुछ भी स्पेशल नहीं है, एकदम सिंपल है, डेली वेयर, कंफर्टेबल, नो एक्स्ट्रा पैटर्न, जस्ट स्लीवलेस एंड परफेक्ट फॉर द समर्स. इजी ब्रीजी, लाइक एवरीथिंग, सो कंफर्टेबल, लव इट. बहुत ही अच्छा है एंड द फैब्रिक अगेन इज कॉटन एंड अगेन इन द साइज XXL. ऑल द कुर्तीज आर इन द साइज XXL and yeah, do let me know how you guys like it. I just love it for daily wear. Like yeah, you can wear it daily, like simple and sober. एक सिंपल कुर्ती तो होनी चाहिए, राइट? एंड विद दैट दिस वीडियो कम्स टू एन एंड एंड आई totally enjoyed making this video for you guys, and my only purpose was that plus size girlies को under budget summer vibe short kurtis मिल सके from Meesho. Like all these are from Meesho. I cannot even believe it. They were all so good and I just love it. और इसका रेटिंग तो रह गया, राइट? So I will give this also a 5 on 5. मुझे सारी कुर्तीज़ बहुत ही अच्छी लगी और मैंने और भी बहुत सारी मंगाई थी, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, बट समहाउ वो मुझे फिट नहीं हुई एंड उनके ऑल्टरनेटिव में आई गॉट ऑल दीज एंड आई एम जस्ट रियली हैप्पी कि मुझे जो भी रिसीव हुआ, बिकॉज ये सारे तो मुझे फिट नहीं हुए और जो भी उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव मैंने मंगाया turned out to be so good and I just absolutely love it. So do let me know how do you guys liked all the 6 kurtis and I would be really happy to know how do you guys like it. And I hope this helped you a bit to find summer vibe short kurti because I absolutely enjoyed it as I told you. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your family members. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.